Welcome back. We've got Barbara Wright in studio this morning from the Carthage Area United Way, here to tell us about this year's Day of Caring event, and it's today.
It is today. It starts at 7:30 this morning with breakfast, and then all of our volunteers go out to our local agencies and begin their morning, and they wrap it up around 12 or 12:30.
When you say local agencies, where are they going to help?
We go to the Boy Scout camp located just off of 49, Children's Haven. We go to Lafayette House, Children's Mercy, Jasper County 4-H, Crosslines, Carthage Crosslines, Carthage Crisis Center. We have 10 different agencies that we go to.
Is it too late to come help out?
Today it might be, just because I don't know how many people could actually get to our location, but we do have many volunteer opportunities throughout the year. We have golf coming up. We have our kickoff that's coming up that we're going to try and do a little differently this year with new volunteer opportunities. So yes, we're always looking for volunteers.
All right. Where can people find out more information about today's event?
Yeah. CarthageAreaUW.org. That's our website. They can always call our office for more information. They can email us. We're on Facebook, we're on Instagram, we're on all sorts of social media, so that way they can find us whichever way they want to.
Okay. A little bit more about what they're going to be doing today, the volunteers that help with.
The Day of Caring, yeah. Our Day of Caring consists of, it's our 23rd year, and they go out and they do the honeydew list for the agencies that they may not always be able to get done due to not having staffing or other volunteers. Yard work, stuffing envelopes, painting. And this year we got a grant from Carthage Rotary to help offset some of their cost.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it's the first time that it's happened.
Okay, cool.
So that's really nice.
Anything else you want to
add? It's a great way to get involved. We have, like I said, we have 10 different agencies, and it allows you to really see the good work that these agencies do in our community, both Carthage, Joplin, and Barton County.
All right. Well, if you want to get involved with United Way, you can go to our website later this morning, and we'll have a link to you guys so you can find out more information.
Thank you. I appreciate your time.
Right. Thank you so much for coming in.
Thanks.
We'll be right back.